Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss very important topic that is Coulomb's law. And I am sure that after today this topic will become very easy for you. So let's get a start with our topic without any delay. Basically, Coulomb's law is about quantitative measurement of electrostatic force of interaction between two charges. This law states that force is directly proportional to the product of the both charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two charges. Now, suppose we have two charges. One of them is positive and another one is negative. As these two charges come closer to each other, then electric fields of both of these charges will interact with each other, produce a net electric field. As a result, an electrostatic force of interaction arises between these two charges, which is equal to k q1 q2 over r square, where k is the Coulomb's constant and its value depends upon medium. That's why this force is also a medium dependent force. Further, the value of Coulomb's constant is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the vacuum permittivity. Suppose if we will place a medium in between two charges, then the value of permittivity increase, due to which the value of K decrease and the electrostatic force of interaction between two charges also decrease by epsilon r times. Now let's move toward the next topic, that is permittivity. Basically, it is the ability of a medium to pass electric line of forces through it. As we will place medium in between two charges, then the electric dipole of a medium reorientate itself under the influence of applied electric field and increase the permittivity of electric line of forces through it. Here, the direction of external and internal electric fields are totally opposite to each other. Thus, the reduction in the net electric field take place, due to which force also reduced by epsilon r times as compared to the vacuum. That's why electrostatic force is medium dependent and its value totally depend upon types of medium. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.